Good morning students. We have already learned about how to add and subtract money. So today we are going to do multiplication of money. And how to do multiplication of money? So we have to multiply money in the same way we multiply ordinary numbers. जैसे हम normal numbers को multiply करते हैं वैसे ही हमें money को multiply करना है. But for the longer ones we have to separate rupees and paise. So here question number 1 I am going to solve. A part is 15 paise into 5. 15 paise times 5. So here we have to multiply 15 paise to 5. So we will multiply this like this only. 15 times 5. 5 into 5 is 25. We will write 5 over here. 2 carry. 5 into 1 or 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 7. See, the answer is 75. And this 15 is for paise, so we will write this 75 as paise. Here in B part we have to multiply 50 paise and 6. So 50 times 6 will be, so here it is 300. So 300 paise will be the answer. Here we have to multiply 300 paise by 7. So 300 times 7 will be, so 2100 paise will be the answer. Now, in this one, in E part, we have to multiply 8 rupees by 9. So, 8 into 9 is 72. So, we will write rupees 72. Then, rupees 90 multiply by 2. So, here we have to multiply 2 by 90. So, 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 9 is 80. So, 180 rupees is the answer. In H part, we have to multiply this 200 by 5. So 200 multiplied by 5 is 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 2, 10. So this is 1000 rupees. That will be answer. Similarly, you have to do other parts. Question number 2. Again, we have to multiply here. But here the numbers are given like this, in which decimal point is also given. So before decimal point there is rupees and after decimal point there is paise. So we have to multiply like ordinary numbers को जब हम multiply करते हैं वैसे हमें यहाँ पर भी multiply करना है. But you have to remember one thing over here. You will put a decimal point just below the decimal point. For example, this A part. So we have to multiply this 23 rupees 40 paise by 2. So again we will start from the last place. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 4 is 8. Now, there is a decimal point. So, we will place a decimal point over here. Then, 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 4. So, the answer is 46 rupees 80 paise. In this one, C part, we have to multiply this 0 rupee 45 paise by 6. So, 6 times 5 is 30. So, 0 you will write here. 3 will be carry forward. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So, 7 we will write here. 2 will be carry forward. And 6 times 0 is 0 plus 2 we will write here. So, 2 rupees 70 paise is the answer. In F part, we have to multiply 90 rupees 75 paise by 7. So, starting from last place, 7 times 5 is 35. 3 carry forward. 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 3 is 52. So, 5 carry forward. Now, there is a decimal point. So, we will place decimal point over here. Then 7 times 0 is 0. Plus 5, we will write 5. 7 times 9 is 63. So, 635 rupees 25 paise is the answer. In this one, 101 rupees and 0 paise we will multiply by 4. So 4 times 0 0. 4 times 0 0. There is a decimal point. 4 times 1 4. 4 times 0 0. 4 times 1 4. So rupees 404 is the answer. Now question number 3 you have to do in your notebook. And I am solving A and E part over here. A part is given 95 paise multiplied by 7. So here we have to multiply this 95 paise by 7. So we'll make separate column for rupees and paise. This is given only in paise. So we'll write this in paise only. And rupees, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं था. That's why we are writing 0 only. And we all know before point there is rupees and after point there is paise. So we'll place point between these two. Now we have to multiply by 7. So 7 times 5, 35. 5 here, 3, carry forward. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 3 is 66. So 6 we will write here. Then we will place decimal point, and 7 times 0 is 0, plus 6 will be 6. So rupees 6 and 65 paise will be answer. In E part it is given 38 rupees 35 paise multiplied by 9. Again we will make separate column for rupees and paise. So 38 rupees we will write in rupees column, 35 paise we will write in the paise column, and then we will multiply it by 9. So 9 times 5 is 45, 5 here, 4, carry forward. 9 times 3 is 27, 27 plus 4, 31. So 1 here, 3, carry forward. Now there is a decimal point, so we will place decimal point here. 9 times 8 is 72, 72 plus 3 is 75. So 5 here, 7, carry forward. 9 times 3 is 27, 27 plus 7 is 34. So 345 rupees and 15 paise is the answer. Children, I hope you understood how to multiply money. So here is your homework. You have to do question number 1 all parts and question number 2 all parts in your book only. And question number 3 only A, C, E and G parts you will do in your notebook of exercise 14C. Thank you.